Hi, Cooper. Hi, good morning. I really do have the best husband. He fried me up some bacon and he got my grits all prepared. Seriously, what did we do to deserve this guy, huh, Cooper? You love Dada. You love bacon. He's not a catching food kind of dog.
Mom says it's time to get up. Will you take out the garbages?
Buddy! Morning, son. See your snake skin?
Yeah.
Andrew's snake shed last night. Andrew's gonna go with Wayne to work and Kenzie's gonna go with me to work, even though Kenzie already has 2 jobs. I need a little help today and she's gonna help me. Throwing away the garbage right now because the garbage man's coming. Morning. All right, it's 5:30 in the evening and the sun just, luckily there's some clouds right now, but everybody wants out and I made them all stay in here today because it was so hot. I think it was like 113 and I have misters in here, so I do not want them coming out of here getting all hot. So now they're probably starving. Are you guys hungry? Do you guys want to come out? Okay. Come on. Here, look at this. Look at this, guys. Mama made some rice. Come on, Fonda. Look at these guys. Oh, come on, you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, big guy. I'll walk here and show you the irrigation that Wayne set up. You know, I didn't do a video while he was setting this up. I should have. I just forgot. But he ran it all along underneath here. And we ordered these. I don't want to get too close because water's coming out. But he ordered these jets from Amazon. And we got extra because they get clogged up. Oh, 1 lone egg in there. Oh, chill, rooster. Chill. Golly, I got enough rice for all of you. I made 2 cups for you guys. Here's an updated video of my hollyhocks. Remember then when they were just little sproutlets in the ground, and now they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love them. They're so beautiful. They are my favorite flower. I love them. They're just beautiful. Look at that. It makes me happy. Doesn't it make you happy? And all these are just going to be, okay, so these are all leaves. The flowers just grow right on the stalk part of it. Jeez, it's so pretty. I love it so much. I'm so glad I have those. It's the little things, guys, the little things that matter. This is a fern, my love fern. If you've ever seen How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, you'll know what a love fern is. That's our love fern. It's right down there. Love fern. Benny boo 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 boo. Well, my mom's coming over. She wants to sit out back, which it's 108 still, I think, outside. So she wants to sit out back. She wants to see the farm animals, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. So I'm trying to figure out where to go. I just can't think of where to go. We haven't lived on this side of town that long. I mean, we live on this side of town, but not this far out east, I guess. So, and plus I don't know what I'm hungry for, but we'll figure it out. Doesn't the grass look so good and green right now? So good. And also, if you look at the pictures of when we first moved in, these potato vines right here, they were almost non-existent because they didn't water for like 4 months, and it's just overtaking. I'm wondering if I should maybe even cut them back a little bit. I don't know. They're kind of cool. They're actually really pretty. Probably I need to water them soon. You can see my dogs in there. We have birds run into these windows on the daily. I wonder if you can see over there all the splatter marks. There's one that even looks like a bird. Right there. Or like an angel. And here's my moringa tree. It's got a ton of new growth. Like seriously, I'm not even kidding. Every single day, this thing grows like awesome. The plan is going to be that we're going to build a garage and a guest house for my in-laws. Well, the garage is for us, but the guest house will be for my in-laws all the way across here. So I'm not sure how soon we'll have the money for all that. Ninny's here. Tell her Ninny's here. There's Ninny. Cooper, get out of there. Jeez. Cooper. Get out, Cooper. Cooper, get out. Oh my gosh, that dog.
Oh, hi.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. How was the traffic?
Well, it was rolling pretty good until I got to where they all start merging. And they keep
Yeah,
merging.
oh.
I mean, I had to slam on my brakes one time so hard, I thought the person behind me was going to hit me because people were doing it in front of me.
Oh, I know.
But it
That's
just
fact.
keeps
That's where we
merging.
got into an accident.
How are you?
Hi, Mom.
My hair is even still wet. This is my darling grandson right here. He might have wings with me tonight.
Yeah.
But we're going to take the tour here.
Yep.
See what all new stuff's going on. I'm so excited.
Mom, have you seen the turkeys?
Just on the thing.
There's one. There's a big turkey right here.
Hi, Wayne. Good. How are you, buddy?
Good.
My mom just got back from vacation. So
Yes. Yep. And I just don't know what to do with myself now. So I came over here to see the turkeys.
Hey, Mom, guess what?
What?
They put a Rudy's in over here.
Oh.
Not that I want to go there. I'm just saying because I know you like it.
Oh, yeah. That's my favorite place. You don't like brisket?
No. I mean, I do, but
You're going to need to be liking that when you have cows.
I know. Hey, do you like Grimaldi's? You ever been there?
Pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've only been there once.
I've never been there, but they have one by that mall over there, I guess.
Let's get one.
Will you open that and give it to some of them?
Which one?
Any of them, they all want it.
Did you change your trees to be all in a row?
No, they were in a row, but like, those are all weeds back there on the left. They grow so fast. Anderson, go.
Here, give me another one. And then I'll do two. Come here. Come here, you. So you've named them, these guys?
No, not those.
What's this one's name?
That one's LaFonda, the black
LaFonda?
one.
Come here. Oh, gosh, good food, huh? Are they hungry?
Yeah, they're always hungry. It's so weird. They're like me.
Yeah, you look like ducks. When we feed the ducks, you know?
Oh, I know.
At the lake. I mean, at the lakes at the park. He's right there with you. Cooper, do you think you're a chicken? You want some?
Oh, believe me, he'll eat the whole thing.
Oh, you got babies too? Is she a chicken?
Yeah. Isn't it cute? And we have a lot of boys, unfortunately.
How do you know?
Because they fight and their heads get filled up with blood,
Ew.
like red, and then they try to fight each other and they fluff out their feathers like a boy. I'm not even sure. I think we maybe only have 2 females. I love these ones too. And every night, Mom, they come, they just climb all over me.
I
They
know.
nestle into my hair.
I saw that. That was
So cute.
your little. You thought
Say, son.
Look like giant
I
wooden
say.
wieners.
Andrew?
What's that guy that couldn't see and he has this?
Oh, that's Mr. Magoo. Can I turn here?
Want more pepper? Girls always want more pepper.
We love pepper.
And then pepper.
We love pepper.
I'm a sommelier.
Yeah, Fraser. Wait, look.
No, Niles.
Yeah, Niles.
It's Niles.
Niles.
They both do it. Yeah.
Well,
It has to sit in our glass for a couple of minutes. Since our glass I'm serious. Since our glass is open, because it'll get rid of some of the vinegary taste.
Oh, yeah.
It's not that bad. You taste it. But if it sits in the glass for a minute and squish it around,
So it's really acidic-y.
yeah, so squish it around in the glass.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Wayne looks so much like the Rock.
Looks like a rock. And we go, maybe a miniature rock, you know?
Yeah.
That's all for today, everybody. Night.